Welcome back to Great Wolf Forge. My name is Eric. Today we're going to be making a knife. I don't know what kind yet. We're just going to kind of freehand it, see what happens. I've got a little bit of steel left from that Bowie knife I just made. Bowie concept. So if you want to check that video out, go ahead and go back to my other videos and look at that one. This is the leftover steel. I'm just going to pound something out. We're going to see what happens. I don't really have a plan for this steel. The forge is already hot, so I was like, let's throw it in there, let's make something. First thing we're going to do is forge in the tip. Kind of leaning towards making this like a little drop point, everyday carry kind of thing. Now that I'm looking at it, thinking about it, it's kind of what I want to do. So we are going to do that. We're going to try to do that. We're going to try really hard to do that. See the point starting to come down. A little more work on this tip. So here's what we got so far. I want to keep working that autofocus. I want to start working that top down, but I also want to drag this out a little further. I'll start on the top. Work that down a little, make that little drop point. Want that to drop just a little bit more than that. The very tip of this is going to come off because that's going to be full of inclusions and cold shuts, and I do not want any part of that. But I flattened out this belly that I put on there, and I think I'm going to work on that just a little bit so I don't have to do so much grinding. This grinding sucks, especially with the 1x30. It's terrible. What I'm going to do is heat that up really nice and hot and get the flatter out. As I see, I've got a really big valley in there because I upset the steel on the end. So I'm going to get that out. I'm going to flip this over. to use the flatter for that. Flatter, see? Flat. Slightly broken, but flat. Hot, hot, hot. I'm gonna start my stand on fire. See how that looks. Oh yeah. Much better. Okay, so that's gonna do it for the tip. Now I'm gonna make a shoulder about half, maybe about maybe a 5-inch blade. I'm going to use the horn of the anvil for that. So I get a nice, you know what I mean. Alright, there we go. Now we're going to straighten it back out. Went a little crazy. Went a little crazy on the upswing. Whoop. We'll be able to use that same spot on the horn. That same spot. Just hit the other side and then to bend it back down. So it looks like doo-doo like that. Better. It's better now. Now we're going to work on the tang, or the tang. We're going to try to get that up to where the shoulder is. Maybe not quite as up to the shoulder. And we're going to almost be done with the forging part. Planish, planish, planish. So this is where we're at right now. What I want to do is put a little upswell in the tang here. I think that'll fit the hand really nice, and then drop the back a little bit, and I think we'll be done with the forging part. I really like that. I really like that. See, I really like. That is beautiful. I'm gonna call that. We're gonna put it back in. I'm gonna hit it with the flatter all across the entire knife. And then we're gonna be done forging. That looks really good so far. Got a little bend in it going down, but we'll get that out later. Alright, now we're going to get that bend out. As you can see, it's bent. We're just going to take a really light heat and just tap on it a little bit. Forging, done. Splatter, done. Progress. Here it is. I love that bend to it. Oh god, that's beautiful. We're gonna let this cool, then it's grind time. In my infinite wisdom, we once again forgot to make an outro. I just get too excited when I make this stuff. But I do have something to show you before the next video. We did just a super rough grind with the angle grinder. To get off some of that forward scale, and I mean, look at this. Look at this. How is the light shining through the metal? Is this beautiful? You got a nice, I don't know if I'm gonna use this like as a finger swell or not, but we have a lot of material to grind away. A lot of material to grind away. This thing is a beast right now. We still have to chop the end off, probably right about here-ish. Yep, probably right about here-ish. We're going to cut it off. Boop, right there. Then we're going to get onto the angle, or not the angle grinder, the belt grinder, to get rid of this tip, because this is going to go away. You can see how this curve flows up. It's going to keep flowing. It's going to keep flowing just the way it is. This is going to swell up, so this little nasty bit is going to get ground off. Because it's, I mean, it's crap. Look at it. Can't use that. Can't use that. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Even if you didn't, hit the subscribe button anyway. Then you can just make fun of me on your own time. If you have any questions, comments, please leave them below. Maybe I'll answer them. Maybe I won't. Depends on the question. Depends on the comment. I will see you guys in the next video where we hit up the belt grinder, my beautiful little 1x30 from Harbor Freight. Until then, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.